Hey guys, Anthony the Rag Company, and in today's video we're talking about Coach Chemi's very own superhero foam. That is right, it's called KCX Super Foam, and this is going to have some serious cleaning ability. This is going to come in at a pH of 12, meaning it's going to be higher on the alkalinity scale in comparison to many of their other soaps. Super Foam is going to be a once a year or maybe once every major decon wash kind of soap. This is not going to be something that you use every single wash by any means whatsoever, as it will completely degrade your ceramic coatings, your sealants, or your waxes. So this is going to be a good reset foam, or something that's going to be able to really clean out that paint if you haven't done any type of decon for a very long time. So Super Foam, again, comes in a 5 liter here. We like to use it in our foam cannon. Simply spray it onto the surface out of direct sunlight. Try to do it in a nice cool and shaded area, and do not let it dry on the surface. After you let it sit for a few minutes, that's when we'll come back through the pressure washer and simply rinse it off, and then we can come back through with a pH balanced soap for our hand wash. So Super Foam is amazing. We do recommend wearing gloves whenever using it, as you do not want this on your skin, and hopefully you guys love this product as much as we do. So as always, thank you guys for watching and have a fantastic day.